Good morning to all. In this video, today we are going to discuss about types of functions. We already studied what is a function in class plus 1. Go through the YouTube URL given. See, here we want to discuss mainly two functions, one or injective, on-to or surjective. Look at the diagram. This diagram is known as arrow diagram. See, we have two sets, first set and second set. The first sets are X elements and second set elements are known as Y elements. Okay. So, first set is domain and second set is known as codomain. See the arrow marks from the domain to the set codomain. We can see that image of 1 is equal to B, image of 2 is equal to C, image of 3 is equal to A, image of 4 equal to D. Image of 1 is denoted by f of 1. That is f of 1 equal to B. Image of 2 is C. It is denoted by f of 2 is equal to C. Image of 3, that is f of 3 is equal to A. And image of 4, that is f of 4 equal to D. This is the representation. Here we can see that all the X elements 1, 2, 3, 4 have different images B, C, A, D. Okay. So different X elements have different images and therefore f is known as a 1 function. Look at this arrow diagram. See the arrow marks. Here the image of 1 is A, image of 2 is B, image of 3 is D and image of 4 equal to C. So the different X elements have different images and therefore this function is also a 1 function. Okay. Now see this arrow diagram. Here X elements are 1, 2, 3, 4. Y elements are A, B, C. Now look at the arrow marks. What is the image of 1? Image of 1 is A. That is f of 1 equal to A. What is image of 2? Image of 2 is A. That is f of 2 equal to A. Image of 3 is B and image of 4 equal to C. Listen, here images of 1 and 2 are same. Isn't it? Image of 1 and image of 2 is same. So, here different X elements have same image and therefore the given function is not 1. If it is not 1, then the function is known as many one function. If a function is not 1, then it is known as many one function. So this is a many one function because the same images are there for different X elements 1 and 2. Okay. Let's see this arrow diagram. Here the image of 1 and image of 2 are same. Image of 1 is equal to B, image of 2 is equal to B. So the different X elements 1 and 2 have the same image B and therefore the given function is not a 1, it is a many one function. It's clear? It is a many one function. So, students, we can define a function is 1 as a function f from the set x to another set y is 1 or injective if the images of distinct element of x under f are distinct. That's very important. Images of distinct element are distinct, then it is known as 1. Otherwise, it is known as many one. Okay. Look at this arrow diagram. See the second set x2. Here the elements A, B, C, D are the images of 1, 2, 4 and 3 respectively, isn't it? So, the elements 1, 2, 4, 3 are known as pre-images. Okay, pre-images of the elements A, B, C, D. So, A, B, C, D has distinct or different pre-images in X1. Then the function is known as onto. Okay, then the function is known as onto. So onto, or to define onto, we are concentrate the second set and see different images has different pre-images in the first set. Then we can say that the given function is a onto function. Okay. See this arrow diagram. Look at the second set X2. Actually in the set X2 there are A, B, C, D, E, F, 6 elements, but the arrow marks goes from B, C, D. So the images B, C, D has distinct pre-images 1, 2, 3, 4 in the first set, and therefore the given set is a onto function. Suppose we have a function f from z to z. Z is a set of integers. Okay, Z is a set of integers and the function is defined as f of x equal to x square. We need to prove the function is 1, 1 or onto. Okay, so using integers or numbers we can easily prove the function is 1, 1 or onto. So 1, 1 means if f of x equal to x square, then this x element belongs to the first set Z and the x square element belongs to the second set. Okay, x element belongs to the first set and the images or the x square element belongs to second set. Let us take x equal to 1. 1 is an integer. And x equal to minus 1. Minus 1 is also an integer. If x equal to 1, then what is f of x or f of 1? F of 1 equal to 1 square. 1 square equal to 1. 1 is an integer. If x equal to minus 1, then what is f of x? That is f of minus 1. F of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 whole square. It's again 1. 1 is an integer. That means if x equal to 1, then its image is also equal to 1. If x equal to minus 1, what is the image? F of x equal to 1. That means for different x values, the images are same. Okay, for different x values, the images are same. Now listen, for 1, 1, the condition is f of x1 equal to f of x2 implies x1 equal to x2. This is the condition for 1, 1. The meaning is that if images are equal, then the corresponding elements are equal. Okay, if images are equal, then the corresponding elements are equal. Now look at here. Here images are equal. But what are the corresponding elements? One element is 1. Another element is minus 1. Are they equal? No. So images are equal but corresponding elements are not equal and therefore f is not 1, 1. F is not 1, 1 or f is not injective. Okay, f is not injective. Listen the same example. F is a function from Z to Z. Here the first set is known as domain and the second set is known as codomain. Okay, first set is known as domain and second set is known as codomain. Here the function is defined as f of x equal to x square. we are going to prove the function is whether onto or not. So let us consider or concentrate the codomain set, or we start with the codomain set and take an element in this set. Okay, y is an element in the set. Then we are going to prove for every y belongs to Z. If we take any element in the second set, there exists a element x in the first set. Then we can say that f is onto. This is the onto condition. For example, if we take an integer 1. So this 1 belongs to our codomain second set Z. So this 1 is images of or image of a x element. And f of x is defined as x square. So x square is the images. So we consider x square equal to 1. If x square equal to 1, then what is x? X equal to root of 1, that is plus 1 or minus 1. Okay. So if image equal to 1, we get 2 x elements. Look at here. For any y belongs to Z, there exists a x belongs to x such that f of x equal to y. Then function is known as onto. But for this image 1, we have two values, that is f of 1 equal to 1 and f of minus 1 equal to 1. For same images, we have two x elements in the domain set. It is not possible, therefore f is not onto. Okay, f is not onto. So the function f from Z to Z defined by f of x equal to x square is not 1 1 and is not onto. If it is not 1 1 or not onto, then it is not a bijective function. Note down bijective. Bijective means 1 1 plus onto. Therefore, it is not a bijective function. Okay.